Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I am going to be trying out these CEEMEE personalized perfume kits. This is the floral scent, and then I have the fruity floral scent. So at the back of this, the fruity floral contains 3 top notes, 3 middle notes, 2 base notes, 1 pipette, 6 blotters. The fragrance notes are grapefruit, pear, papaya, lily of the valley, gardenia, raspberry, vanilla, and cedarwood. So I'm gonna pick which one depending on what is in the box. The Fleur box has same top notes, middle notes, base notes. The fragrance notes are orange, peach, marine fresh, jasmine, neroli, violet, musk, and amber. So I feel like I'm definitely feeling the La Fleur range because it has peach. I love peach, orange, jasmine. So definitely going for this one. And stay tuned to my Instagram feed because this baby is gonna go in a giveaway where one of you could win it and try it out for yourself. So CEEMEE was really kind to send me these, and they actually retail for 600 Rand each. Now when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So there's a little leaflet that comes with it. It comes with those 8 different scents. It comes with a bottle to put your perfume in, a pipette to kind of get all of these things in, and also it comes with these sort of tester, you know, you spray the perfume on it and you smell it to see what it smells like. So yeah, I'm really excited to make my own perfume today. Let's go into the instructions. So this is the instruction manual, and it just basically describes the art of perfumery. There is a fragrance pyramid basically describing the top notes, middle notes, and base notes. I am quite familiar with this because I did study fragrances and all that in university, and when I went to the Unilever event in July, we also made perfumes with Lux, so that was really fun. So the top notes are actually orange, which is in the citrus family. Orange essence has a sweet, juicy citrus scent with refreshing, succulent tonalities, mixes well with white florals. Peach is part of the fruity family. It's also a top note. Peach has a fresh, nectarous, sweet smell, sparkling facets, and light, watery undertones. That like sounds so delicious. And then it mixes well with white florals and fruits. And then we have marine fresh. It's an ozonic family. Light hints of sweet undertones, fresh, watery accents, with soft floral facets, mixes well with citrus, florals, and wood. Then the middle notes is jasmine, a part of the floral family, mixes well with citrus and musks. Then neroli is also a middle note, violet is also a middle note, and the base notes are musk and amber. Let me describe to you the pyramid. So the fragrance pyramid is a composition of a perfume. The top notes is the initial contact with fragrance. It lasts up to 20 minutes. The middle notes, this is an emerging phase that determines the core theme of the fragrance, lasts up to 4 hours. And then the base note is the persistent and enduring impression of the fragrance, which lasts more than 4 hours. So the top note is something that fades first, then you get the middle note, and throughout the day you'll get the base note. Perfumery is a symphony. It has a beginning, middle, and an end. That's what it says here. Okay, so let's see what kind of instructions they give us to make this. Okay, it says prepare your workspace. Use a clean, flat surface laying out in front of you all the kit's components. Get to know your raw materials, read the descriptions, and smell each of the ingredients using a blotter. Make sure to write the name of the ingredient on the blotter so that you do not forget which one you are smelling. Gently dip the pointy end of the blotter into the bottle and give it a few seconds to settle before smelling it. Unscrew the pump of the perfume bottle to prepare for your perfume formulation. Know that the pipette holds a maximum of 3 ml, which is 1 ml is equal to 50 drops. Okay. Interesting. So if you want to do this via the drop method, then you would do 50 drops for 1 ml. So let's prepare the workspace. Okay, so In the box, we have the perfume bottle, the pipette, all that fancy stuff. So now that our workspace is prepared, it says select the ingredients you would feel blend well together in order to achieve, what English is this? Select the ingredients that you feel would blend well together. What? Anyway, I think they meant together. They blend well together. In order to achieve your desired effect, start by adding a few drops to the perfume bottle, mix thoroughly and smell after each addition to evaluate the smell. Write down the amount of each ingredient that you use in order to record your formula. It is best to begin with your top notes, then add the middle notes to the mixture, and then finally add the base notes. It's always best to start with small quantities in order to avoid overblending your mixture. Okay, so I definitely want a little bit of orange, a little bit of peach, Marine Fresh is nice to have, I guess. Oh, Marine Fresh smells nice though. Let's keep Marine Fresh there. In terms of base notes, it's either amber or musk. I don't want to have both. Oh, amber is quite out there. I kind of like the sweetness of the musk. You know, I feel like it's a good base. Whereas amber is a little bit more potent, you know, it's like in your face. Okay, let's see. So I have musk, peach, orange. I haven't smelled the orange, but I have smelled the peach. Okay, I do like the orange a lot. I like it a lot. And then Marine Fresh, which I also like. I'm gonna smell all of them to see what more I want to add to this perfume. Ooh, violet smells really nice. What? Neroli. Ooh, neroli smells like neroli. If you know, are familiar with aromatherapy, neroli smells like neroli. Okay, this is jasmine. I'm not a big fan of the strong smelling floral scents. That's what I'm gathering from myself right now, but that's fine. I enjoy these 5 smells. What is the next instruction? Once you have completed, oh wait, start in small quantities. Okay, once you have completed your formulation, screw the perfume bottle pump onto the lid, turn the bottle upside down a few times to complete the blending process. Your perfume is now ready to wear and enjoy. Note, all oils have already been mixed with alcohol. The oil concentration is 20%. The final perfume is thus classified as an EDP, eau de parfum, not eau de toilette. I don't know what's the difference between the two, but yeah. Okay, so it says tips on getting started. Start by smelling the ingredients, which I did. Think of the type of perfume you would like to make with the ingredients that inspire you the most. You do not have to use all the ingredients. Choose the ones that you feel would blend well in order to achieve your desired fragrance. Start off with a few drops first in order to avoid over mixing. As an idea of how much your formula should be made up of middle notes, top notes, and base notes, you can use the following guidelines. So top notes should make up 30% of the final formula. Middle notes should make up 50% of the final formula, so 9 mils, 15 mils, and the base notes should make up around 20% of the final formula, which is 6 mils. So I think I'm gonna go with that sort of measurements. 9, 15, and 6. Oh god, now we have to divide it between all of the essential oils. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do, let's see. The top notes have to be blended first, and the top notes are my orange and peach. I'm gonna get my pipette. I'm starting off with peach because it's my favorite. Okay, wow, it is a nightmare going all the way up to 3 mils for using a pipette. Okay, I kind of got the hang of it. Now there is measurements on the pipette, so I'm going to be using the measurements, just kind of wiggling the pipette as well, trying to get as much as the fragrance. I'm going to take Marine Fresh. Oh my god, you guys, Marine Fresh smells like divine. Okay, then it's time for the orange. Taking a different tissue. Now that we have the orange, okay, next we're going to take the middle note, which is violet. And with violet, you need 15 mils. I've already done 9 mils. And I think I want to change it up and add a little bit of jasmine, because I'm almost finishing the violet. Okay, and then the base note is 6 mils. So let's see. Screw on the lid. We're supposed to do this to blend the perfume. This is like a really cute frosty pink glass. This mist is actually really fine, which I really like. So just gonna let this dry a little. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Wow. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. It's sweet and floral at the same time. Like, I never thought I would love a sweet floral this much. Wow. This smells really, really good. I want to show you guys how fine this spritz is. Hopefully you guys can see on camera. Do y'all see that? Oh, it smells so good. I never thought I would be one for floral scents, but this one smells amazing. Now, I'm good at smells, but if you guys feel like, you don't know how to identify smells very well, then dip these little sticks in your perfume, let them air out a bit, and then smell them, and it makes your life so much easier to identify smells. Okay, my card is full on my main camera, but I'm really not like a floral scent person, and I have to say, like, I'm so impressed with how easy this was to use. The fact that they also give you instructions, like, as an idea of what you should use, is amazing. Like, this smells so good, you guys. I really like it. I really like it. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. I will leave CEEMEE's website down below in the description bar, so you guys can go ahead and have a look at their website. They also have separate perfumes that they've already made, and then they have these personalized perfume kits as well, so you guys can purchase them if you want to. With regards to it being 600 rand, I don't think it's that pricey. I feel like perfumes can be a lot pricier than 600 rand, and you're getting like 8 different scents to like make your own, so there is so much you can actually do with this. And yeah, that is it from me. I honestly, this kit is amazing, especially if you're one of those DIY people and you're fussy with scents. This is amazing. It smells so good. Oh my god, I love you guys so much. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and comment down below, let me know, would you be interested in making your own perfume, and if so, what is your favorite scent? I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.